Thomas decided to invest his piggy bank money. He invested part of it into an account that paid 6%, and he invested $205 less than 3 times that amount into another account that paid 5%. After the first year, he earned $133.60 from both accounts. How much was his initial investment at each rate? So for this investment problem, we know that he is investing part of it at one rate, and the rest of it at another rate, and that's the total in his piggy bank. But as you can tell, that's way too many variables. Let's see if there's a relationship between these. He invested part, that's our P, into an account that paid 6%, and he invested $205 less than 3 times that amount. That referring back to the part that you've already invested. So we have that the rest is really equal to $205 less than, remember that's written backwards, 3 times the initial part. So now let's try and include the interest rates. The part of his money was invested at a 6%. So P times our 6%. The rest was invested at 5%. So we need to do a couple of substitutions here. We're going to take this information about R and put it into the equation. And we need to know what the interest was paid at the end. After the first year, he's earned $133.60. So now that we made that substitution, we also want to try and get rid of these percent signs. The way you can get rid of a percent sign is to multiply both sides of the equation by 100. Don't forget to do it to both sides. And here we're going to do the distributive property. Multiply the 100 to the 6% and the 100 to the 5%. This is one term, so it only gets to multiply to one of the factors. So once you multiply by 100, you get 6p plus 5 times 3p, 15p, minus 5 times the 205 is 1,025 equals 13,360. Let's combine like terms. 21p minus 1,025 is equal to 13,360. Trying to get p alone, let's get rid of this 1,025. Now we have 21p is equal to 14,385. Multiply each side by the reciprocal of 21 to get p alone. And we get that p is equal to $685. Thomas invested $685 into the account paying, let's see, this was our P, which was our initial part, and that account was paying 6%. And he invested how much money into the account paying 5%? Well, to figure out that answer of how much money was invested, let's go back to the rest of the money and put in this information about P being $685. 3 times 685 minus 205 is $1,850.